So for this lesson, I'll be focusing on the arm bones. Previously, I had done the upper shoulder and upper arm, back and front. And today I'll be focusing on the left and the right lower arm, along with the hands for the anatomy drawing. So basically what you need to get out now is a eraser and your pencils, 2B, 3B, and do the drawing. So we're going to be doing the skeletal function, which means I'm going to be working on the left arm and the right arm first. So this will be the right arm, facing me, and I'm going to be starting that, the basic sketch. So again, as previously mentioned, studying anatomy is quite important. Getting to know the body from a physical structure, and it's very good practice for your drawing as well. And knowing what goes underneath the skin and the muscles is also, it helps with the knowledge of knowing the anatomy and how the body works and functions in a visual capacity. So this is going to be a very small drawing, so it might have to be done on a much smaller scale. I'm using a very small sketchbook here, and I'm actually doing it from an illustration, so I'm not doing it out of my head. It's a book called Anatomy for the Artist by Simblet, and it's a DK series book. Very, very, very useful and very, very illustrative. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to be doing the measurements first. So let's start with that, so I can get the basics in. Oh boy, I'm going to have to draw much smaller than I thought. So kind of get it. I'm going to have to start on the top, and once there, I'm going to have to go about here, and then there to there. Wow, just okay. So this is going to be a very small drawing, and just going to show the basics. What I'm doing now is the placement. So keep in mind, this is not a permanent fixture. It can change as I'm going. I can erase it at any time. This is the lower part of the arm. Just this would be the elbow, and here would be like the wrist bones. Attached to here. So this is a very rough sketch of what you should do, and don't be afraid to erase. We'll start off with the phalanges. Very common to make a mistake with this one, 1.106 before, so So just getting the arms, the finger placements correct. Let's do that. One here. One straight down, much longer. Next one. And of course, the thumb. Okay. So this is a very basic placement of the fingers. Okay. I wouldn't, or the finger bones, my favorite word, phalanges. So this is like the whole entire arm that has been shaded, and basically all that I have left now to do is right hand, arm, and hand. Okay, and then I'm going to be doing the labels. So I'm going to be just doing basic labels, not too much in detail. Of course, you can go and have a look up. And that's it. So this is the example of the right hand arm, and for the next one I'll be doing the left hand one.